Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So it is time to study now, and today it is going to be our maths lesson. Our topic of this lesson is time estimation. Time estimation is a guess about an activity that how much time it will take. Like some of these activities take longer time and some of these activities take short time. There are so many activities and work we do in our daily routine life. Like your mother does the dishwashing, you ride a bicycle, and your father drives a car. All these activities take long or short time. If you are going to go for a walk, how much time it will take? A long time or a short time?
Long time.
Yes, when we go for a morning walk, it takes long time. Okay, now tell me how much time you take if you blow a candle.
I blow quickly.
Yes, you blow it in a very short time. Do you have any idea that when we go for shopping, how much time we take? Of course, everyone spends a long time for shopping. Wow, an ice cream. Everyone loves ice cream. And how much time you take to finish your ice cream? Yes, I'm sure that you will finish it in a very short time. And another example is construction of house, which takes a long time. Let's do an activity. Tell me which activity will take a short time. Brushing the teeth or taking a bath?
Brushing my teeth.
Right. Now tell me which activity will take long time. Washing a car or washing a bicycle?
Washing a car.
Now tell me, have you ever cleaned your house?
Yes, I help my mama.
Then tell me which activity will take long time. Window cleaning or house cleaning?
House cleaning.
Right. Now tell me which activity will take short time. Drinking water or having a dinner? Of course, drinking a glass of water takes short time and having a meal takes long time. Now tell me what will take short time, taking a picture or painting a house?
Taking picture.
Absolutely right. We take a picture in a very short time. Now you have to do a practical. You have to fill a glass of water and you also have to fill a tub of water. Then observe which one of the activities take a long time and which one takes a short time. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay children, it is time to leave. Take care. Allah Hafiz.